You're doing everything right, working hard, trying every side hustle you can find, watching videos, buying courses, pushing through the late nights, but still, nothing sticks, the money doesn't show up, and your motivation starts to fade. What's going on? Here it is. The number one mistake most people make with side hustles. You choose the hustle before you know how you'll actually win with it. You see someone on TikTok say they made $10,000, so you dive in, but there's no system, no strategy, no clarity on how that hustle fits you. And that one decision silently sabotages everything. Think about the effect it's already having. You start things, but stop halfway. You bounce between ideas, you lose time, you lose money, you start questioning yourself. Maybe I'm just not cut out for this. But that's not true. You just never had a clear plan to win. Because the hustle isn't the thing that makes you succeed. It's the system behind it. Now here's the real danger. If this doesn't change, you could waste years. Years chasing trends that go nowhere. Years of stress, of spinning your wheels, of trying to break free, but never actually getting there. Regret starts to build. And if you're not careful, you give up on the dream completely. So let me ask you something. Do you want to change this? Do you want to stop guessing? And finally understand why it hasn't worked and what will? Because once you see it, once it clicks, everything changes. You stop chasing noise. You start with a system. You pick the right hustle, the one that fits your skills, your time, your goals, and suddenly, things start working. You get wins, you stay motivated, you finally start to grow. You don't have to figure it all out on your own. I put together a free guide to help you fix this starting today. It's called 5 Hustles That Actually Work. But it's not just a list. It shows you why these work and how to make them work for you. The link's below. You can grab it now, completely free. And if you're ready to go deeper, there's also a $19.99 upgrade guide with step-by-step breakdowns, real-world examples, and bonus tools to scale fast. This is your turning point. Click the link, download the guide. Let's finally build a side hustle that actually pays off. Because in the You Can series, you don't just try things, you win.